The local cycling fraternity is hoping to expand their reach to potential participants in hopes of growing the numbers for the Winston Blacks-Brown Memorial Classic. Following the third staging on Sunday, organizing committee member Jason Ferguson says there's a vision to take the event even further.
A lot more overseas riders to come. Of course, we also want to grow our local pool, especially as it concerns women riders and junior riders. So we need to work on that. So we're inviting all the young persons who are interested in cycling. You're seeing this on your TV. Just reach out to us. Stop by Cycle City, ask about how you can enter the sport, and they'll give you some guidance.
Now, Janelle Morgan, who won the women's category, joined Ferguson in encouraging female participation in the Memorial Classic, but she wants it on a national scale.
The Jamaica Cycling Federation has a program called Pedal Sisters, where they encourage more women to come out where they think the sport is safe, because that is one of the concerns that I myself has as a female, that the sport is safe. There are places that you can cycle, there are groups that you can cycle with women. That is something that we really want to bring to the local community, get more women to cycle. While I was in London, the groups are large when it comes to cycling. It was a different experience just to be sitting in a field that was predominantly dominated by women.